Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are in the day 24 affiliate marketing, a beginner to expert 30 days challenge, $1,000. In this video, we are going to see about LSI keywords, that is latent semantic indexing keywords, and the what is semantic indexing keyword. So latent semantic indexing keyword is, for an example, the Google search engine. For example, if you are typing as Nirma, you are typing a word called Nirma. There may be a word for Nirma University, may be there. Nirma detergent powder will be there. There will be a lady called Nirma. There will be a dog named Nirma. Anything can be there in the name of Nirma. So the Google search engine wants to understand what you are mentioning, what Nirma you are mentioning. So the LSI keyword is that you are giving a keyword which is relevant to the keyword, which is relevant to the primary keyword, which is relevant to the secondary keyword. The relevant keywords which are useful for the primary keyword is called LSI keywords. For example, if a customer types as what do you say, as 7, so the number 7 indicates, it may indicate number 7, it may indicate some other temple, something like that. So in order to make a relevant of that blog, you must give a relevant keyword, which giving a relevant keyword to the primary and secondary keyword is LSA. Why we have to give a relevant keyword? You may ask a question, why we have to give a relevant keyword? Because the Google search engine may send a bots, and the bots may crawl in your web pages, and it may takes the index, it may take the content, it may take the data and get indexed in the Google search engine. While taking the data, the Google search engine should have, has the reasoning and the artificial intelligence kind of thing. So while taking the data, it shouldn't get confused. So the if you put a relevant keywords, it'll makes the Google search engine to be bit easier to get indexed, and it can present the correct and exact value, right? So that is the most important thing of making a latent semantic indexing keywords. So I can just so many examples. I'll just show you an example, right? Since we are just doing it in the paid tool, this time I'll just do it for you in a free tool called Uber Suggest. See, I'm just typing it as dog. The Google, so you may have write a blog regarding dog or dog picture, dog breeds, dog food, anything like that. So in order to make a relevant keyword, you are just doing this. So I am just taking this. I am going to Uber Suggest and typing it as dog picture. So now I am just in search of taking the relevant keywords, that is LSI keywords. So it is going to give you the LSI keywords now in Uber Suggest. So it takes some time because the LSI keywords, it has to take the proper relevant latent semantic keyword. So the relevant keyword should be of dog pictures. It has, I think it has taken, yes, the dog picture is there. The relevant keyword is dog pictures cute, dog pictures download, dog pictures necklace Instagram, dog picture with necklace with the dog picture. These are all the LSI keywords, the relevant keywords that if you add these relevant LSI keywords in your blog, the Google search engine doesn't, it will be for Google search engine will have much easier to understand that you are talking about dog picture, not about dog or dog breed or dog food, something like that. You're talking about dog picture. So in order to make your SEO easier, in order to make your blog in a priority to rank in the first page of Google, the LSI keyword is the most important thing, as important as primary and secondary keywords. So in order, you have to add a proper LSI keywords along with primary and secondary keywords, so that Google search engine will find it and take your the context of the information and place it and get it indexed in the Google search engine. You will find out the dog pictures overall. You won't find a dog breed or dog food, anything like that. So making a index keyword, latent semantic keyword, LSA keyword, is the most important thing. Here I am just doing another example. Nirma washing powder. I am mentioning washing powder. I am not mentioning any university or anything like that, right? So here it comes, the Nirma blue washing powder, Nirma TikTok, Nirma washing powder, add something like that. So you have to add these LSA keywords along with your blog to distinctly, specifically mention that your blog is related to Nirma washing powder. It is not related to a lady or it is not related to an university. So this is how it works. So LSA keywords are the most important thing. And thanks for watching this video, and bye bye, see you. So please add the LSA keywords and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.